Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at this website called Morningstar.com. So what is the work of this website? So if you are an investor, as you can tell, you can see this S&P 500, Nasdaq and a lot more guys. So if you are an investor, you can use this website to analyze the market, so you can see the best like performing stocks, indices, forex or any other thing for you to get on guys. So that's how it's work. So now let's check out, let's just go down, let's go here. As you can see here, it says where to invest when nothing looks cheap. You can see here in next generation income ETFs. So you can check all these articles guys, you can check all these articles, but this is not what I want to show you. So now let's go on tools. You can see here, let's go to portfolio. It's loading. So as you can see here says what you can do with Morningstar investors. So here says link or manually enter portfolios, connect your accounts for a seamless view of your overall assets allocation, or manually manage your transaction for a deeper analysis of performance and gain loss. And the next one here says monitor your holdings, which means evaluate your holdings from every angle to understand performance, allocation, risks and more. You can see here the last one here says create custom views, which also say evaluate investment using the criteria that are most relevant to your goals. So create a custom view to save your favorite rating, performance and valuation metrics so they are always at hand. And when you go to the next one, here says performance charting, which means track both total and personal portfolio return with the ability to add select indexes for benchmarking. And here says understanding risk with X-ray. And the last one here says identify overlaps with stock interaction. So all these things are available on Morningstar.com. So now let's go back. Now let's go to charts. Now let's go to charts. So as you can see here says like Investopedia names Morningstar Investor the best investment research tool in 2025, which means the current year we have right now. Investopedia named Morningstar Investor the best investment research tool. You can see how powerful this website is guys. So as you can see here, this is how it looks like. This is how the dashboard looks like guys. So that's just how it looks like. So now let's go up. Now let's go back. So now let's go to market. Let's go to market. You can see here market home, market movers, indexes, market fair value, calendar, commodities, currencies and a lot guys. You can see here this is a sector section. You can see utilities, technology, real estate, industrial, healthcare, financial service, energy. Every single thing is available on Morningstar guys. So if you are into any of this section guys, you can just click on it and you will check it out. That's just how easy it is. So that will be all for our video guys, and if you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.